Today our topic is what? Enforcing integrity constraints. We already discussed about the integrity constraint, key constraints and all, right? So here we have some examples for enforcing integrity constraint, then you can understand. While you are connecting one table to another table, you are providing primary key foreign key relation, right? So if you are providing like that means, if you are trying to insert any duplicate value, see for example, I have already SID, student ID is 53688. If I am trying to insert again with the same value, it is going to show message insertion violation, insertion violates, like that already you have seen while you are practicing your programs, right? See here. So in that way, how we can provide while you are deleting one table data, one row of data of particular person, so that data should delete from child table, other whatever the child tables, what are the relations we have from all the tables. So one id, one student ID, if you deleted from one table, that means from parent table, that data, that means the SID data should delete from all other tables. So that's what I am trying to do here. See the example, then you can understand. Okay, so for doing that, we have cascading concept. See here, on delete no action, on delete cascade, on delete set null, on delete default. Next, on update no action, on update cascade, on update set null, on update set default. These are the enforcing integrity constraints. These are the enforcing integrity constraints. So how we can implement this? See, for example, see here, this is our SQL command line. Just see what are the tables available from this database. Select star from tab. So employee tables already created. I am going to create some another tables. So see here, if I delete one row from one table, so one employee data, that should delete in the child tables also. Not only two, I am saying I am taking here only two tables, but you can do this for all tables. Okay, you should provide primary key foreign key relation and on delete cascade null, on delete cascade. This should you should use enforcing integrity constraint. You should use to perform this type of operations. See here, I'm going to create one table, create a table. So emp66, here eid is integer. Next, char and size I'm giving 10. Next, what is the primary key here? Here primary key is eid. Okay, so now I am going to create this table, emp66 table. So I created, I am trying to insert some data into this table. What is the query for inserting data? Insert into table name, values of id 1 comma name Siva I am giving. So I inserted one row of data, then again I inserted second row of data, and this is primary key table. For connecting another table, I'm going to create EMP salary table. Create table EMP66 all table that contains EID that is called integer, comma. So salary, employee salary, that is data type is float here, float. Then foreign key is what? ID. It refers what? refers EID refers foreign key references what is the table name, parent table name? EMP66 EMP66. You are providing primary key foreign key relation here. After that, what I am going to do, if I delete one row of data from parent table, so that ID related data, that the employee data should delete from all other tables. See, for example, I am the employee of Vardhaman College of Engineering. So if I relieved from that college, they should delete my data from the college table. So we have number of tables. Okay, if they delete from one table, we should not delete other tables, right? But this is complex to delete or open all tables and delete my data, so my information. Now if I want to do, if I delete one row of data from one table, my data that should delete from all other tables. Okay, that means my data should not available in all other tables, right? So for that I'm doing here on delete cascade. So enforcing integrity constraint on delete cascade. So if I delete here, so the child tables information also going to be deleted. See here, I created EMP salary table, foreign key EID references EMP66 EMP66 table on delete cascade. Okay, missing keyword on delete cascade, same thing, right? Create table EMP66 underscore salary EID integer ESAL float foreign key EID references EMP66 on delete cascade. What is the mistake here? Tell me someone. Create table EMP66 underscore salary EID integer comma ESAL float comma foreign key EID references EMP66 on delete cascade. Create table EMP salary EID integer sal float comma foreign key EID references EMP. Same thing I have written here, right? What is the problem here?
References spelling is wrong, sir.
Yes. nice. References. Now it is okay. So table is created here, child table. Now in the child table, primary key data, whatever we have in the parent table, that type of data I can insert here. Same thing by using the ID. So insert into table name is what? EMP66 hyphen salary values of 1 comma salary is 10,000. Okay, next I am inserting another row of data to that is 20,000. Okay. Now see here those tables you can see here. Select start from EMP66 and select start from EMP66 underscore table. So now if I perform delete operation in EMP66, that row should delete from EMP66 and that row should delete from EMP66 salary also. So delete from EMP66 where EID equal to 1. See here, delete from spelling wrong. Delete from EMP66 where EID equal to. Now check the both tables. Select start from this one. So one row deleted from parent table and same row deleted from child table also. Now you understand, right? On delete cascade. I think you understand this. Do you have any doubts regarding to this? Yes, all of you.
No, sir.
Okay, ma. Already time up. You should join other session about mid-1 examination. So you can join there. Download attendance. I will share this document. You need to practice other enforcing integrity constraint like on delete no action, on delete cascade we discussed, on delete set null, on delete set default. You need to practice.